On National Science Day, let's salute the scientists who dedicate their lives to expand the boundaries of knowledge. Ladies and gentlemen, I stand before you today to celebrate National Science Day, a day that commemorates the discovery of the Raman Effect by Sir C.V. Raman in 1928. This day serves as a tribute to the scientific achievements that have shaped our world. In recognition of this achievement, the Government of India designated February 28 as National Science Day in 1986. The theme for National Science Day 2024 is Indigenous Technologies for Viksit Bharat, underscores the importance of homegrown solutions to address societal challenges and foster overall well-being. Science is the beacon that illuminates the path to progress and understanding. It empowers us to unravel the mysteries of the universe, paving the way for technological advancements that enhance our quality of life. National Science Day is a reminder of the critical role that science plays in our society. It encourages us to appreciate the tireless efforts of scientists who dedicate their lives to expanding the boundaries of knowledge. Their curiosity and perseverance lead to breakthroughs that benefit humanity as a whole. In a rapidly evolving world, the importance of science and technology cannot be overstated. They drive innovation, fuel economic growth, and provide solutions to pressing global challenges. Today, let us not only celebrate the achievements of the past but also inspire the scientists of the future. On National Science Day, events such as seminars, exhibitions, lectures, workshops, competitions, and award ceremonies are organized to celebrate scientific achievements, promote awareness, and inspire interest in science and technology. As we commemorate National Science Day, let us reaffirm our commitment to fostering a culture that values scientific inquiry and supports the pursuit of knowledge. May this celebration ignite the spark of curiosity in the minds of the young generation, encouraging them to embark on a journey of discovery. Let us honor the spirit of scientific inquiry that has propelled us forward and continues to shape our future. Happy National Science Day! If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.